Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a community group in WhatsApp Business. First of all, open your WhatsApp Business application in your mobile. Tap on this chat icon in the bottom right corner and you can see this option New Group. Tap on it. Select the contacts you want to add to the group by tapping on each contact. You can add multiple contacts to the group. After selecting the contacts, tap on the next at the bottom right corner, enter your name and the group subject. This will be the name the all group members will see. Optionally, you can add a group icon by tapping on this camera icon and selecting a photo. Once you have entered the group name, tap on this check icon in the bottom right corner. Your community group has now been created. You can start sending messages, sharing media, and interacting with group members. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.